Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is the lovely, oh my goodness, Nikki, and she's coming today for a redesign. So I removed her previous set using my Saeyang K35, back down to the clear layer, done all the prep, put my clear layer at the growth so that we can do another redesign when she comes in again. And now we're ready for our design. So we're doing milk bath nails. I haven't done these yet, and I was so excited. Actually, I'd just done a set before these nails and I didn't record them. And I was like, oh no, I wish I recorded them. I did think I was recording them actually, and then someone must have rang me without me realizing, and then it just cuts off your video. So I was like, oh, whatever. But luckily, Nikki wanted some milk bath nails too. So anyway, we're using CJP Robin's egg. I haven't used this before, and I love it. So I love any blue colour. I love deep blue. I love really dark blue. I love light blue. I love baby blue. I love any blue. And this has little specks of glitter in as well, which is always a bonus. So yeah, we're going to do baby blue on the baby finger, pointer and the thumb, and then we're going to do the milk bath nails on the other two. It's a really simple set, to be fair, but I just wanted to record it because I haven't got milk bath nails on my channel yet. So I'm using my size 10 Tracy loo brush. Love it. Also, I'm kind of speaking a little bit more quieter and holding my phone a little bit further back because somebody commented again on my slapping lips. I don't even realise I do it, guys. I'm sorry, I don't realise I do it. And she said she was struggling to watch my videos because of it. Don't watch my videos then, alright? Because it's just something that I clearly do all the time. But I'm trying to hold it back. So hopefully you can actually hear me because I don't even know yet. So yeah, I'm going to do that, these three nails, and then I'll be back. So for the milk bath nails, I put a thin wash of coconut milk down first, and then I had already cut up my flowers. I got my dried flowers that are mine. They're on my website. I love them, and you just literally cut them just so the little bits of flower really just falls off. Keep some with the little stem. I think they look really good. So yeah, and just pick them up and then just with your brush and then pat them onto that wet acrylic. It kind of was drying quite quick because it was hot yesterday. It was 31 degrees. It was a hot one. So if it does dry, just get a little small bead of acrylic like that, dab it on, and then put your flower on top. There's no really right or wrong way of doing this. Just whack it on, really. So I'm going to do that to both. So then once I've done that, you come in with the coconut milk again, and you just put another wash over the top of those flowers, just so you get some that are like hidden, some that come through. Just keep applying some where you think you want it. If you want it a little bit more transparent, don't put as much on, but I kind of just did two little blobs, and it was two little beads, sorry, and it was fine. And once you cap it, you know what I tell you about capping, it just brings everything together. And I really loved how they turn out. So once I'm happy with that, there was a little bit poking out there, but it was no biggie. Like, you file it off, nothing really happens, you know. So once I've done that, I'm going to cap them all in crystal glass. So we're going to give them a quick file, quick shape like this. I just do this to remove any acrylic that may be on the nails. It's not a fresh set, so it's not going to be, but it's just a habit. And then we're going to come in with our Efile and whiz over and debulk, flatten out that cuticle and make it all lovely and smooth. Then once I've done that, I will file again for the shape. Oh, there was a little bit of slapping there. See, it's just how I talk. It's just how I talk. I think it's an Essex thing, because I think a lot of my friends do it as well. Don't know. Maybe I should put the title as ASMR #lip smacking. Anyway, yeah, I'll let you watch this part. So we removed the dust and now we're going in with top coat. I only record me doing these two because again somebody was harassing me and calling me, so yeah, sorry about that. So this is the final result. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next one. Bye.